Welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey, and today we are going to learn time calculation formula in this video. So, today we will talk about how to calculate a difference between start time and end time. Okay, so before we start, we should know what is time calculation. Excel can work with the time very easily. Time can be entered in various different format and calculation performed. There are one or two oddities, but nothing which should put you off working with it. Okay, so typing time. When the time is entered into worksheet, it should be entered with a colon between the hours and the minutes. Okay, like that. Suppose you want to put 12:30, it should be like this, not like this. Okay. So Excel can cope with either the 24-hour system or AM PM system. To use the AM PM system, you must enter the AM or PM after the time. You must leave a space between the numbers and the text. So you can put like this, or you have to just type like this and go to format cell, and from here you can select time format like this. Okay, so this is the time format. You have to type it. So finding the difference, so let's see how to finding the difference between two times. Okay, so you can subtract two time values to find the length of the time between. Suppose this is the start time and end time. So the simple subtraction is end time minus start time. Okay, you can drag it like this. Okay, so if the result is not shown correctly, you may need to reformat the answer. Look at the section about formatting further in this worksheet. So adding time, you can add time to find a total time. This works well until the total time goes about 24 hours. So let me explain this example. Suppose if time sum is below 24 hours, that would be correct. Suppose, let me show you. Okay, so and this is the sum for all. So this is the 20 hours 15 minutes, which is less than 24 hours. But in this scenario, when the time is added together, the result may go beyond 24 hours. Usually this gives an incorrect result, as in the example below. See, I'll show you. Okay, suppose I subtract the end time and the start time, and see, this is the sum. It is showing 6 hours 45 minutes, which is incorrect. Okay, so let me explain you how to correct this. Okay, so simply you can use the shortcut also. Press Ctrl 1, and here custom, if you see this one, simply you have to H, you have to put in the bracket, click OK. See, now it's correct, 30 hours 45 minutes. Okay, I have mentioned the formatting also here, like this you can do. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic, and now let me explain you the second example. Okay, which is very interesting. I have prepared a data for this. I hope this type of data you also facing this issue while calculating the difference between the time. To calculate working hours, okay, we have a interest date, interest time, and exit time. So either you can simply subtract the formula end time, exit time minus interest time. But if you drag it like this, see, here is value is not showing over here. Why? I will let you know why. Because if you see, to calculate the number of hours between two times, you can use a formula that subtract, which I have already used over here. Okay. But if the start and end time span midnight, you will need to adjust this formula. Explain this below. Okay. Suppose the interest time is 5 p.m. Okay. And the exit time is 4 a.m. in the morning. In that scenario, it will not, this formula, subtraction formula, it will not calculate the correct one. Okay. So what we need to do this, and again we don't require the AM like this. So what we are going to do, we'll just select the formatting like this. Okay. And now I'll put the formula if end time is greater than start, then end minus start, otherwise 1 minus start plus end, bracket close. Now if I drag the formula, you will get the working hours here also. Okay. So this is a very useful formula to calculate the working hours. Okay. So I hope you understood all the scenarios. You can use it this, and this topic is very useful. You can try yourself, and if you have any query regarding time calculation, you can email me. I will solve your query. Thank you so much. Have a great day.